yourself. A merry little Christmas.
Okay, mommy. Almost done. Okay, you gonna show your Tintin to others? Huh? Do you wanna show your Tintin to titos and titas? Huh? Wanna see your Tintin to titos and titas? No, sige. They're gonna see your Tintin. You want them to see your Tintin? Huh? No? Change up in. Daddy's almost home. Yay! Play with Daddy. Someone is very excited to play with Daddy. Play with Daddy, okay? Yeah. Daddy is coming home soon. Yeah. There's actor bigit ba na? Yeah. Look on your left. Oh, titas and titas is on your left. Or on your left. You excited? Daddy's coming home soon. You're still sleepy, my love. Come on, let's. Hey, are you so excited? Huh? Come on, Daddy. You can do this. Someone is very excited. Daddy is coming home soon. Oh, he's about to come home. Daddy's about to come home. Someone is excited to play with Daddy. Huh? Yeah. I love you. Good morning. Love you so much. I can hear Daddy. Daddy is home. I can hear Daddy. Nagpapa-breastfeed ako, guys. And si Mr. Rai andito na. Nasa CR pa kasi every time na dumadating si Mr. Rai, naghuhugas muna siya ng kamay niya sa CR before siya pumasok dito sa kwarto. Daddy! 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 Yeah. Finally! First day of holiday. First day of holiday. So dark.
For 3 days. Good morning, Daddy.
Love you so much.
What's that? Chocolate flavor Milo.
One eternity later.
Bebe! It's not working anymore.
Huh?
It's not singing anymore, that one.
It is.
No, it's working again.
Yes, like this. Bend your knee. Leg what is so straight and strong.
Slowly, slowly. I'm going to sterilize, love.
Okay.
Kiss me.
Yes, kiss.
I love you so much. That's all.
What?
The milk.
Needs to be drinking because I put medicine inside.
Needs to finish that thing before it gets old.
Yes, but I tried to give him. He doesn't want to. A little bit. To get exhausted a little bit.
Hey baby, did you eat, love? That's all.
And some biscuits there.
Yeah.
Huh?
Don't raise him because you're going to.
Don't raise him.
Don't raise him.
You raise me, I am on my shoulder. You raise me up when I am on my shoulder.
Hi guys. And ako'y nagbabalik. And kailangan natin mag-ready guys kasi malilate na tayo. Kasi nakalimutan ko na today pala ay yung appointment ko for my second vaccine. Buti na lang at nag-set ako ng reminder sa phone ko. So yun na nga guys, kailangan na magmadali kasi yung yung appointment ko is 1:30 today and 1:10 na. Pero 7 minutes away lang naman siya dito. So kailangan namin na umalis ng mga 1:20. Kailangan ko lang mag-ready. Pandalian, hindi na. We're almost there, baby. We're almost there. You're gonna stay with daddy inside the car. Waiting for mommy, okay? We're here. Oh my god, I'm really gonna have vaccine. Here.
That's
No?
disabled.
Why we parked there before then?
You don't see, but now.
Ay. Opo. Oh, this here na. Opo. This here na. Love you. Iniwan ko muna yung mag-ear. Going back. Ako lang papasok guys. Hindi na sila sasama sa akin. Kasi umiiyak si baby. Ayan, papadidian ni mister. So, andito na ako guys. Papasok muna ako. I hope na matawag agad-agad yung pangalan ko like last time. Hindi nga ako nag-antay na kahit 10 minutes last time. So, ngayon ay yun na nga. See you na lang again mamaya guys. Update ko lang kayo. Dito na tayo oh. We're here na mga kalabot. Wala namang maraming tao. So, dito na ako guys. And, ayan. Aantay na lang ako na matawag. So, ayan. Waiting. After namin magpa-vaccine, ay dito ako mag-aantay. Kasi nga, after magpa-vaccine, hindi ka pa pwedeng umuwi. Kailangan mo pa mag-antay dito ng 15 minutes before ka makaalis. Kasi, ayan. Observation, 15 minutes. I'm done mga kadababol. Andito na ako sa waiting area. Walang tao, ako lang. So, wala pang 10 minutes na vaksinan na ako. So, ayan, text na, i-chat ko lang si Habi na tapos na ako. Kakapasok ko lang. Wala pang 10 minutes na andito ako, which is good. Diyan na ako magantay ng 15 minutes, guys. No, wala ka namang gagawin after mag-antay ka lang and then pwede ka nang umalis. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta kung saan-saan or magsabi sa kanila na aalis ka na. Good luck sa ating mararamdaman later. Kasi the last time, ngayon wala akong naramdam, pero pagkagabi, parang namaol yung ano ko ba, yung kamay ko. So natin yung mag-ama, andun nakikaantay. I hope the baby's not crying. Pupunta sana si Mr. ng ano guys, kasi magbibili ng Christmas tree. Kaya lang di kami pwede sumama kasi walang paglalagyan ng Christmas tree kung sasama kami. Hi! How are you?
I'm good.
He cries a lot, no?
Yes.
A lot?
So much.
You should have taken him on though.
I took it out
You took him out?
and there's still nothing and I put him back.
Hi, baby! You cried a lot. Oh, mommy's
So
here.
much and so bad. Crying. Like
Yeah?
for all this time. Just now he shut up. But he didn't shut up only if I do like this.
Yeah, yes, mommy here. But you give him food. No.
Yes, I give him a little bit, but
You're so sleepy, my love. We're going home now. We're going home. Okay? We're going home, okay? You want shake, no? You know, because when you're shaking, it feels like the car is moving. Want to go to the school, yeah? Yeah. You want to go now? Yeah. You want to go now to the school? Huh? You want to go now? Yeah? Love you. Daddy said you were crying. Did you? Have you? Yeah. Have you cried? Daddy said so much. It's a prank, Daddy, no?
so much and so bad. That wasn't a prank. That was with a lot of tears. I couldn't do
Yeah.
anything. I tried to feed him, nothing.
Yeah. What about now, Daddy? They keep smiling, Daddy. Oh, because the car is moving, Daddy. Yeah. It's fine. We're gonna be home soon. Daddy's going to look for a Christmas tree. We're not going with Daddy, so we're not gonna cry. We're just gonna rest at home. Okay? Okay? Yeah. I love you so much.
Things like that.
Daddy, dee 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 dee. Daddy, daddy, dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. What's wrong with you? Gisali. Na kami sa bahay, guys. We're home. And I'm sending my son to sleep. Cause he is crying. But so sleepy. Si Mr. Guys ay umalis. Pumunta ng IKEA. Dahil siya ay bibili ng Christmas tree. So, because he wants to feel the Christmas, the spirit of Christmas. So, he's looking for a real Christmas tree. He doesn't like to buy the plastic Christmas tree. So, ayun na nga guys, dahil siya ay nag-aalburuto, kailangan natin siyang patulugin. Sa wakas, natulog na ang baby ni Mami. Sa wakas, si Mami makapagluto na. Dahil si Mami ay gutom na. Pero ang baby ay nag-alburuto. So, kailangan patulugin, kantahan at sayawan. Ayan guys, andito tayo ngayon sa kitchen at tayo magluluto ng ating breakfast. Kanina nag-breakfast kami ni Mister, pero cereals lang yun. Yung dumating siya and before din ako natulog. Ayan, nag-breakfast kami ni Mister ng cereals. Pero ngayon ay kailangan namin magluto ng lunch pala yung lulutuin ko na. But, kahapon kasi gumawa ako nag-marinate ako ng ano guys. Ito oh. Tocino ba? Marinate ko ang tocino. Ayan oh. Ayan. Marinate. tocino. Yung lulutuin ko ngayon, ito sana yung lulutuin ko for breakfast kanina. Kaya nga lang, hindi natuloy. Kasi nagsasabi ni Mr. magsisireel lang daw siya. So, ayan, magluluto ako ng kanin. Meron pa akong naiwang kanin ganito. Pero, sa akin, kulang pa to. Kaya, kailangan ko magluto. Kasi, masarap ang tocino sa kanin. Sayang, sir, marami-rami yung ano natin, yung kanin natin na bahaw ba. Para ano natin, gisa. Kasi, mas masarap yung tocino sa, sa kalo-kalo or kinisang kanin. So, ako ay magluluto muna ako ng aming kakainin para pagdating niya, kain kami. Agad, magluluto muna ako. Magsasahin muna ako habang tulog si baby. Si baby ay tulog na. Tulog na si baby. Tingnan nyo yung itlog ko, guys, oh. Tiyanan! Puti. Minsan lang kami nakakabili ng puti kasi yung itlog talaga dito yung color brown ba yun? Yan. Ano to? Oh, social, may UK pa natatak. Diba? Mas maganda itong puti, guys. Tingnan nyo yung itlog, guys. Napaka-orange ng kanyang Hindi siya color yellow. Orange na siya. Diba? Niluluto ko na aking tocino, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Marinate ko. Wala kasi akong coloring, guys. Kaya yung wala siyang, hindi siya parang orange. Nilagay ko naman lahat ng ingredients. Coloring lang talaga wala. Which is okay. Which is good. Hindi naman masyadong healthy yung, hindi naman siguro healthy din yung coloring. Amoy tocino na siya, guys. Wow. Kakamis ang amoy. Amoy tocino na. Excited akong kumain, guys. Diba? And ito na, guys. Nasira tuloy ang ating itlog, na ng tocino. Ayan. Ito na ang ating tocino. Excited na akong tikman, guys. Wait lang. Tikman natin kung anong lasa. Kung tocino talaga ang lasa. Ano tayo ng kahit konti lang. Ito. Konti lang. Excited akong kumain. Ayan, ayaw magpakuha. Ayan. Natin. Wow. Sarap, guys. Sarap, guys, promise. Excited akong kumain. Wala si Mister. Ito na yung kanin ko. Kain na ako bahaw. Wow. Ang sarap, guys, promise. Hindi ako nagluluko. Oh my God. Tawagan ko si Mister kung pauwi na siya. Naka muna, ha? My husband is home.
Huh?
I did not see them.
It's for it.
I did not
For
see.
the tree. And now I bought this.
Good.
I bought this.
Yeah, that's so nice.
I bought this.
Yeah, that's so nice too.
I bought this.
Yeah.
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas. And where it says that?
Disney.
No, I wanted it was something else.
The same. Merry Christmas.
No, it was maybe the other one. I bought this one to hang it in the.
On the door. You need to hang this on the door.
Yes. I bought one very awesome Santa.
What happened
I bought
to Santa?
diamonds. I told you diamonds. I bought diamonds a lot. All over it.
For what?
A lot.
Oh my God.
And a lot. And a lot. And I bought a star to go on top. Silver.
That's a lot. This should be hung even on the...
Baby's first Christmas.
Yay! Yay, baby's first Christmas.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for, but I didn't know I bought Disney. And I bought a key because this is the key to the success.
See, it's good. It's good.
That's it. So nothing else.
That's
You have a lot of silver there if you want silver.
You want a key? Huh?
Yeah, so all this stuff.
I did not see that. You hide it in there, of course. I cannot
I
see
didn't
that
hide
one.
it. I put it away so you're not gonna step on it. And that's it. And now I have the Christmas tree,
Well,
but I need to fix the bottom, the stem.
it's the real Christmas tree, no?
Yeah.
Where did you find it? In IKEA?
Yeah.
The big ones?
Uh,
Just me? Or a bit lower?
Like this.
You?
Yeah, like. But the very top is like me.
Yeah.
I wanted something like this much, but it's fine.
Later maybe,
I think
because we need to...
I need to fix the stand. I'm gonna be there for 2 hours fixing the stand.
let's eat first then. Let's eat first because my
I need
rice.
to make homemade stand because I don't want to buy it. But I know I can make one.
This is gonna be my first time to have a Christmas tree, real Christmas tree at home. I forgot to put salt and pepper on my...
It's fine. Give me the salt I'm putting in there. And that's it.
Try the tocino, love, if it's good.
I know it's not good, but it's fine.
How was it?
Good, very good. Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Well done, love. Well done. Well done.
The fuck I'm doing. That tocino is really good with the fried rice, but we don't have an old rice like this. If it's a lot, then I can take it. Let's eat. Let's eat, guys. Mmm. You like it? You like it?
Mm-hmm. So much.
This egg, color white, was really orange. This one.
No.
Okay guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. And si Mr. ay nasa garage kasi dinala niya doon yung ating Christmas tree. Kasi gagawa niya pa ng stand guys. Kasi pag bumili ka ng totoong Christmas tree, puno lang talaga yung bibilin mo guys. Wala inch lang mga stand, walang lahat-lahat. Puno na pinutol ba? Yun lang. So mamaya ay magde-decorate tayo ng ating Christmas tree. Ang daming binili ni Mr. Hindi ko to nakita. Tingnan nyo guys si Mr. guys. Oh. Yan, oh. Struggle is real siya ngayon. Kasi gusto niya ng real Christmas tree eh. Hindi gagawa pa kami ng stand. Kasi pag bumili ka ng yung fake na, yung artificial na Christmas tree, so syempre set na yun. May stand na yun nakasama na plastic. Ito, kasi, yan. Sobrang lamig sa labas, tas yan lang yung suot niya. It's not cold, love.
Huh?
It's not cold. You want the jacket, the red one?
Hot, crazy, especially I work here.
It's hot, my butt.
Be careful there.
Yeah,
And turn on the lights.
yeah. Still early.
Okay.
Excited na ako mag-decorate. Here is the Christmas tree. That's so tall. You said, love, it's not tall. It's so tall. Even, I think this is 7 feet. Look, because my, like this is 6 feet. And this is my husband. He made, look. Good job lang. Being creative, ah. It's a real Christmas tree. What is this block? Oh, it's a
just the plastic, so it's not gonna be wood on the carpet.
yeah.
So,
And you put it inside there. How did you make a hole?
that's what took the time only to make the hole.
There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents. Oh, shit. Guys, welcome back. Nga muna kami ng konti mga kalababol kasi si Mr. pagod na pagod kasi galing pa yun siya sa trabaho. So si Mr. nasa kwarto na at natutulog at si baby, ayan, bago ko lang din pinatulog. At ako naman ay wala akong magawa kundi tatrabahuin ko na ito. Ito lahat ng mga pinamili ni Mr. ng mga Christmas decorations. Ito, ayan, mga balls. Ito, tapos, yan, may star pa. Ayan. So, grab ko tong opportunity na to na tulog pa si baby. Okay. Ako na magde-decorate kasi pagod din si Mr. at natutulog. Para matapos na to kasi excited na ako. And sabi din naman ni Mr. sa akin, ako lang daw yung papalagay. Ako lang daw ang maglalagay ng mga balls. O mga decorate, siya lang daw maglalagay ng lights. Kaya, ayan na, gawin na natin habang tulog pa yung ating bebe. Let's do it. Let's do it. Sa inyo guys, sa ating gawang Christmas tree, sa ating totoong Christmas tree. First time ko talaga guys na magkaroon ng totoong Christmas tree, no? Kasi yung 'di ba yung Christmas tree natin sa Pilipinas plastic lang, at saka wala namang Christmas tree na totoo sa Pilipinas. Hindi mabubuhay kasi nabubuhay to sila sa malamig na lugar na country. So, ayan. Ito, binili to ni Mr. Totoong Christmas tree siya. At katatapos ko lang talaga guys mag-decorate ng Christmas tree. Si Mr. ang naglagay ng Christmas light kasi sabi niya siya ang maglalagay. Pero ako ang naglagay ng mga decorations na ganyan. Tingnan nyo guys. So, diba? And ayan na mga kalababol. Katatapos ko lang din half bath, and si baby pinasok ko na doon sa kwarto kasi natutulog siya. Dito siya sa swing dito siya nasa swing natulog habang nagde-decorate ako, and then si Mr. tulog na din. And then ngayon pagkatapos ko na mag-design ay binihisan ko si baby at ano na din ako mga kalababol, nag half bath at ngayon ay ready for bed na. So pinakita ko lang talaga sa inyo yung Christmas tree at ayan lang. So good night na. Yan lang for tonight mga kalabol. Maraming salamat sa ating Christmas tree. Oh, di ba? May pa-background na tayong Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Ayan. Ang ganda. Anong masisay nyo? Di ba? So maraming salamat mga kalababol. Bukas ulit tayo sa ating vlogmas. And maraming salamat. Good night.